Hello students, I hope you're doing great. So in this video, we are going to do work on Oxford Countdown Book 6, the second edition. So it's new Oxford Countdown 6 and let's do it now. So when we open this book, we get our chapter which is Introduction to Sets and the question, and then when we move to another chapter, another page, we get an exercise 1a that we are showing you in this video. And this is not we are not doing question number 1 today. We are doing question number 3. I will do the question number 1 in the upcoming videos. For now, let's do this question. So the question number 3 is on the page number 4, and again our unit's name is Introduction to Sets. These are highlighted words and these are defined. I'm going to tell you about that in different videos, upcoming videos. For now, let's do question number 3. List the elements of the following sets. Also name the sets as A, B, C, etc. And we have total 7 parts and we are going to do all of those 7 parts. So now let's get started. Okay, so part 1, I'm gonna write in Roman context so you can understand easily, is counting numbers less than 10. Since this chapter is Introduction to Sets, that means we have to make a set. So I'm making a set. This is how you make a set. Put any alphabet you like. A, and now the question is counting numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Counting number less than 10. This is part 1. Now let's do part 2. Okay, part 2 is vowels in the word image. Okay, hopefully you know your vowels. If you don't, I will also tell you. There are I, A. Oh, sorry, I write in my A wrong. E. And now let's do the third, which is letters of the word mango. Oh, mango. C. There you go, mango. Oops, sorry. And the next part is part 4. Oops, this is part 4 is colors of the national flag. So you can write any national flag like France, England, America, any country you like, you can tell. But I'm doing just the color. Like any color. I'm not caring what color, what kind of country's color. So many countries. There's two in the same green and white. And then we go to our part 5. Part 5. Okay. Part 5 is also about the multiple 5. Number less than 25 and divisible by 5. I'm doing this part right now. If you don't understand, I'm sorry, I was not pointing before. But this, I'm doing number less than 25. Hopefully you can see too, because I don't know. Okay, it is the Eastern E5, 10, 15, 20. There you go. Perfect. This is part 5. Now let's go to part 6. Part 6 is colors in the rainbow. Okay. Write these colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, right? Okay. This is part 6. Now there's no space for part 7. So I'm gonna go to the next page. Okay. This is the last. I'm gonna do it in the middle. Alrighty, okay. Multiple of 3 less than 15. It's so easy. Just write G, and 3, 6, 9, 12. This is part 7. So this is how you do exercise 1. Is question number 3. List the elements of the following sets. Also name the sets as A, B, C, D. I mean A, B, C, etc. I hope you like the video, and if you want to see more of like these videos, subscribe and like to my channel, and I hope you like the video. Please again like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye. See you in the upcoming videos.